Right, welcome to Building Construction Project Management with Phrankleen, all right? So in the previous video, I talked about, this is the foundation work, setting of blocks on the foundation. It's a 4-bedroom bungalow. This is complete. So now we are working on setting the pillars, so you can see the pillars around the property. You're filling it with granite, cement, and sand, a mixture of the three things, and of course with water. So I'll show you in a moment how that goes on. Got the bricklayers working. So all the block work, setting up the foundation. This is the master's bedroom, the closet over there, toilet and bathroom, so, and everything else. So you have the 12mm metal rods into the pillar area, supported with wood or plank, and then it's the bricklayer with the mixture. They pour them into pillar spacing, and they do that until they're filled up. There you go. So behind this property, there's another ongoing project. They're working on the foundation. That's a 4-bedroom bungalow with a 2-bedroom BQ. All right. This is in Ayegun Oleyo, West Park and Gardens. Okay, with Adron Homes. If you want to buy land here, there's loads of projects going on. Get in touch with me, and you can buy your lands from Adron Homes. No headache, no omonile, no government acquisition. And that's the carpenter building the woods. So this is what it looks like. You have a slot there for all the pillars around the property. Can you see the beams? So they're pouring the granite and all the things. Granite, mixture of granite, sharp sand and water. And the cement, and that goes in there, and then they leave it to set for a few hours or probably for a day, and then they take off the wood. So he's finishing off the woodwork for the pillar at the corner there. So there you go. Here's another trip of the mixture. And also for project management, you can get in touch with me. If you need help with project management, basically supervising your building works, you can get in touch with me. Remember, I told you that I'll be providing services to diasporans, whatever you need. So that's land procurement, survey, land verification of authenticity to avoid any government acquisition or any criminality or ongoing legal matters behind it, just to make sure, and if you want to buy from the likes of Adron Homes and stuff within an estate like this one, get in touch with me, footchannel1960@gmail.com. So the pillar work is ongoing, and I'll show you around. So they basically are going to fill each and every pillar. There's a carpenter basically finishing off his work, building wood panels around the pillar areas like I explained, right? So when it comes to construction project management, get in touch with me. building material, supplies, procurement, everything. Fully documented, verifiable. All right, so these are all the pillars I'm just showing you. And because this is a bit of a slopey land, they did what we call double block work on this side to reinforce, to make sure, this place is well solidified. The foundation work plays a major part in building. If you do a shabby foundation work, you will suffer. Okay, so, and this is it. There's like a tree with a stem, deep roots in there that they're basically excavating. That's why you can see wood chippings. So all of that will be completed. And that's it. So there will be a beam because there's double wall here, sort of like a metal rod here to fortify that will run across this panel here. And also there will be beams to fortify this side. So there you go. It's the front part, and that's the gentleman over there mixing the granite, sand, and cement. There you go. That's the mixture over there. So let me show you something here. Right. So the other, I don't know if you can see it. Other part of the wall there, it's a double wall. It's part of the foundation. So whenever you have like a land that's slightly slopey, like I said, it's crucial. You can't afford to cut corners when it comes to foundation, solid work. And then you can put whatever you want to put on the foundation, even if you want to build an upstairs, even if you wanted to go high. But this one is a 4-bedroom bungalow. So there you have it, okay? The ongoing pillar work. Okay, so I'll keep you posted. Send me your emails to foodchannel1960@gmail.com if you want to buy land with Adron Homes. Own your own lands. You see ongoing projects. People are building. It's a massive estate. This is just a part of the estate. Okay. Send me your emails to foodchannel1960@gmail.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, look in the description for my contact details. Land procurement, whatever you need, all right? Get in touch with me and I'll be happy to help. Cheers. Good morning. So, these are the pillars the day after, okay? The wooden casings have been removed, so this is what they look like. You can see them. Right, so this one, there's a metal beam inside to fortify, this part of the foundation. Just similarly, like these beams here. So there's one line across inside here, used to fortify the foundation. Like I said, the foundation is absolutely crucial. So there you go. There you go. The wooden casings they've been taken. So you can see there's a metal beam in here as well to fortify the foundation. So the wooden casings have been taken off, and that's it. Solid work. All right. So I'm just going to take you around just to show you what the pillars. So there you go. These are the pillars, right? They've allowed them to set overnight, and this is what they look like. Okay, so now I'll show you in a moment. So the next thing after this now, I'll explain in a moment. So here we go. The pillars. Foundation plays a major part in building. If you get your foundation right, the rest is easy. So there you go. The pillars, the wooden casings have been removed, right? There you go. There you go. So this is it. There you go. So now the next thing in terms of the project management of this, so that the pillars all done. So the next thing is we're getting deliveries of the sand for the filling, okay, the material. So this we'll be getting about 30 trucks or more. This is 20 tons. It's the first supply. So each and every part of these, every room, every part of this foundation will be properly filled, okay? Filled, well compacted, solidified to ensure that the sand lateral supply sits very well into each and every portion, okay? And then we start to do the German flooring, which involves granite at the top mixed with, cement. That's another part of the project. So there's about 5 more trips coming shortly, and this will form part of the filling. So I'll show you that in a separate video. Now, this is at West Park and Gardens, Ayegun Oleo. That's somebody behind this project already working on their project. That's a neighbor, like I said. It's a beautiful estate. If you want to buy your land with Adron Homes, get in touch with me at foodchannel1960, all right, at gmail.com. Foodchannel1960 at gmail.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, look in the description below for my email address, right? You can buy your lands here. No headache. Get in touch with me. And if you need help with project management, construction project management, okay, like I'm doing with this one, I'm project managing this, get in touch with me, and with building material supplies, your blocks, your cement, and to ensure that your project, let me show my face. I'm a bit sweaty, forgive me. It's a bit sunny. What's up? So you can get in touch with me for your project management and to ensure that your projects are well delivered from start to finish, well looked after, with the best artisans, with the best team of people, okay, to achieve your goal, your architectural design, your desired objective, your desired outcome. Get in touch with me at foodchannel1960 at gmail.com. I mean, if you don't have a parcel of land you'd like to buy lands or a couple, let me know. All right. And if you don't want land with Adron Homes, which is away from an estate, let me know. All right. Foodchannel1960 at gmail.com. It's your boy Phrankleen, and I'll most definitely catch you in the very next one. Peace and love, man. Yep.